India has a massive pothole problem. Over 3,600 Indians die from road accidents due to potholes every year, with the second largest road network in the world at 60 lakh kilometers of roads. Innovation in road maintenance is a critical need of the hour. We need to switch from current obsolete road repair methods, and the only sustainable and long term solution is pressurized cold mix patching for year round maintenance. This is a self contained all in one patchwork machine which carries all the materials on board and no pre mixing is required. We will now show you the process of pothole repair with these machines. Our team is using spray injection cold mix technology for repairing potholes. We can see the high velocity compressed air coming out of the hose pipe, which blows away the loose material and dirt for proper bonding. The surface is now ready for tack. We can see that very easily from the same hose pipe, delivery of RS1 emulsion, which is rapid setting, has started for the tack coat. This is the first layer of tack coat and it's acting as the bonding agent. As we can see, this is being sprayed on the entire surface without any gaps, unlike manual spraying methods. Extra care is taken around the edges to remove any chance of slippage in future. After spraying of the tack coat, the surface is now ready for the bituminous mix, which starts spraying from the same hose pipe. As you can see, there is no requirement for heating the aggregate or the emulsion. There is absolutely no temperature control required on site. A great plus point about this technology is that weather isn't something to fear anymore, as it can be used come rain, fog, or peak winters, and we can have pothole-free roads all year round without hesitation. This also means that we can have real-time preventative maintenance of our roads, which will delay the regular renewal process by 2 to 3 years, which can save a massive amount of money for the exchequer. The speed at which this process works gives us an extra 8 hours available for working every day, for more repair and more patchwork and better maintenance of our roads. This technique uses a bottom to top layer by layer approach and is also self-compacting. The technology is very time and cost effective as it takes minutes to complete patchwork which would normally take hours to do with any other method. Now we can see the workers are using stone dust to cover the patch, so the plate vibrator, which are used to compact the area even more to give you a dense mix, doesn't stick to it at the bottom. The strength and durability of these patches is unmatched. As in our experience, the roads around the patches have dissipated, but not these patches even after 2 years of laying. In traditional methods, there is a need of using seal coat at the end, but not with this technology. The reason for the unheard life of these patches is the second layer of tack coat, which is like grouting with emulsion. This eliminates 100% of voids and prevents any future water ingress and damage to the road surface. The emulsion, which is the binding agent, also acts as the filler instead of dust or seal coat. Finally, some dust is thrown over the patch so tires of moving vehicles do not stick on it. The process is highly automated with a very low labor component, which makes easy quality control on site a possibility. It's highly time and cost effective compared to other methods like pre-mixed pothole repair bags or infrared patchwork machines. The patch is now ready for traffic. These machines are the only solution, as periodic patchwork isn't proving itself to be sufficient for the immense need of effective road maintenance of our country.